go. Silently enter. Take your seat. Writing utensil on the desk. Tracking forward. 1 minute. Go. Josiah is already at her seat. Brianna is already at her seat. Jalen is moving with urgency. Hustle. Andre is already at his seat. That's one. Dennis' pencil is already in the group. He's tracking forward. Jalen immediately took his seat. Everyone should be there in 10, 9, 8. Famu, pause. Famu, pause. So Kyla said pause. It means you stop. Why am I stopping this transition right now? I don't need this. I'm stopping this transition because it was extremely loud. There were scholars and people who were talking or asking unnecessary questions during the transition. You are not attempting to give me anything. If there is something on your desk that should not be there, leave it there. If you have a question, you need to hold it. Wherever you are, pick up your belongings silently and track the back of the room. So kind of everything needs to still be in your hands. Mark silently has his materials. Jadea has her materials. If you are in the quotes, Brianna, you have one. We're not playing right now. It's not a discussion. Silently, go. Quotes, 3. Middle, 3. Amon, you are fine. You sit down. Windows, 3. Everyone should be out in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn around. Just turn around. Just turn around. 1 and 0. Brianna, step off the line. Silently enter. Notebooks out. You don't need your notebooks because I have your notebooks. Writing utensil out. Tracking forward. 1 minute. Go. Josiah immediately moved to her seat. Tiana is taking the shortest path to her seat. Jonah and Amir, that is 1 for transition. Our voices are off. Caitlin immediately got to her seat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. 10 seconds to be seated and ready to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Jalen Anthony, you have 1, sweetheart. We're not writing right now. My directions were pencil in the group. I know you weren't here the other day, so you're the only person who has your notebook. Track the windowsill. On the windowsill, you will find your notebooks. When I say go, silently pass it across. If the person who sits next to you is not here, just place their notebook on their desk. Isaiah 1, I need you to pay attention. Go. David is silently reaching for the notebooks. Amir is silently reaching for his notebook. Professionalism credit to Justin. Professionalism credit to the third row. They are almost done. You should be ready in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, and 0. Denim, thank you for problem solving assistance credit. That was very kind. Open your notebooks. The do now is on the board. I will read it for you. You are answering on the left-hand side. Imagine it is a cold and snowy winter day, and you make yourself a cup of the most delicious hot cocoa. What will happen? I hear sounds over me, so I'm going to stop. Amir, you have 1 for not following directions. We are not in our backpacks. Janaya, 1, we are not in our backpacks. You are actually unprepared as you need your notebook for today. Pull your chair in. Janaya, that's now 1. Pull your chair in. Amir, you have 1 as well for talking out of turn. I just gave you a direction. Amir, you now have a level 2. If you need to go in your backpack, you raise the backpack sign. What will happen if you put the cold milk into the hot cocoa, and why would it do this? You're answering that question on the left-hand side. 2 minutes, go. Mark's eyes are already in. Sakina's eyes are already in. Justin's pencil is moving. Urgency to Justin. Urgency to Keyshawn. Keyshawn, left-hand side. Morgan's eyes are in. Professionalism credit to Morgan. Makala, you have 1, sweetheart. You're writing. No, you're writing. That's not how we work in this class. Check your work. Pencils down in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Morgan's pencils down, her eyes are here. Jacori's pencils down, his eyes are here. Jonah's pencils down, his eyes are here. Isaiah, 1, get there. Isaiah. Good morning, Famu.
Good morning, Miss Martin.
Okay, so the question is, what do you think would happen if you put cold milk into hot cocoa on the particle level? Zest credit to Jalen, zest credit to Jacori, zest to Jalen Anthony, zest to Denim. I want to hear from Mikhail first, and then Mikhail, you're going to roll it to a teammate right after. Go. Jalen's tracking, Dorcel's tracking, Kimaya's tracking.
The hot chocolate, the hot cocoa might get colder as the cold milk gets hotter.
You just said that the hot cocoa would get what? Can you please? Mikhail, you have 1. I'm trying to listen. I'm trying to hear what you're saying. What did you say?
I said that.
Are you reading from my paper that's on your desk? Jonah, that's 1. That's not being supportive of your teammate. Are you reading from the paper that's on your desk?
Yes.
That's not what I asked you to do. Jalen Anthony, tracking Jalen Anthony at the front of the room. Excellent track from the middle, waiting on 1 teammate. Thank you.
If you added a cup of cold milk to the hot chocolate or cocoa, then the particles would come closer together and so they would not be as hot.
The particles are going to come closer together. Roll it to a teammate. Your hand doesn't have to be up. You could cold call. 3, 2,
Isaiah.
1, 0. Isaiah, what did you write?
I wrote that when the cold
Louder.
I wrote that when the cold milk decided that I wrote that when the cold milk it added that the hotness of will cool down the thermal energy of the milk was cold. And it will make it cool down again.
Go ahead, Isaiah. Roll it to a teammate. 2, 1. Mark, quickly.
I think the hot cocoa will become less hot because the milk is colder, the cocoa is hot.
So what will become? The cocoa will become colder, the system as a whole. That is the question we are trying to answer today. Before we do that, we need to first move our desk. Then, we need to pass some papers. We're probably going to pass first, then move our desk. And then we're going to work in our groups. When I say go, on the hooks, there is a white article. Pass in 10 seconds. Everyone should be tracking the hooks. There should be a stack. I'll get you a stack. 10 seconds. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 0, write your name on the top. Hope's writing her name on the top. Thank you for the people in the front for remaining patient until you got your article. Before we begin, I want you to flip back in your science notebooks because I'm going to ask you a few questions. I want you to flip back to the day before yesterday, which was Tuesday. Flip back to your notes from Tuesday. Kyla already flipped back to her notes, so did Hope. What is the definition of evaporation? What does it mean when a liquid or something evaporates? What does it mean? Jabori knows, Kyla knows, Kalia knows. Everyone's hand should be up. I see some people taking the time to go back in their notes. What does it mean when something evaporates? Jameer, tracking Jameer. Excellent track from Jalen Anthony. Andre is tracking.
Evaporation is when a liquid phase changes to a gas.
When a liquid phase changes to a
gas.
What must we add to the liquid that causes this phase change to happen? Keyshawn. We must add heat. So what is condensation? What is condensation? What is condensation? Aman. Tracking Aman, who's all the way in the front of the room. Excellent track from the middle. Thank you, Wade, for turning your body.
When a gas phase changes into a liquid.
When a gas phase changes to a liquid, what is happening? What has to be done to cause this phase change to happen? What has to be done? What do you have to do, Denim? For a gas to turn into a liquid, what must be done? Is it absorbing heat? It's releasing heat. So heat has to be
Taken away.
Released or taken away. Thank you. So it has to be released or taken
Away.
When I say go, silently, in 10 seconds, turn to your groups. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. save up her chair so that you can sit in your morning? Huh? Yeah, okay. I'll get you a chair. Do you need to wait for a second, Amanda? Can you pause for a second? Pause. In your groups, you'll be reading the article today to figure out what happens, Tiana, on the particle level. When I say go, you have exactly 10 minutes to read independently so that you can discuss in your groups after. Annotating what will happen or what happens to cold milk when it reaches or when it's mixed in with hot cocoa. What are we doing right now? What are we going to do for the next 10 minutes? Janaya. Tracking Janaya, she's all the way in the back of the room. Kalia turned her body, so did Hope. Professionals are credit to this table, Hope's table. Their eyes are there, they're ready to go. Sorry, Janaya.
We're going to read independently, and then after the 10 minutes, we're going to discuss what happened in the article.
What should we be doing while we're reading? What should we do while we're reading? Are we just reading just to read? Like, what should I see so that I know that you're reading? Morgan, all the way in the back.
Annotation.
Dollars we have?
Annotate.
I need to see annotations. What else do I need to see? Mikhail.
Notes.
Notes. Your 10 independent minutes starts now. Go. Kyla's eyes are already in. Jaden's eyes are already in. So Kyla, turn your chair